I also heard of some of these social comedy makers that they actually get contracted by brands to advertise their products.
Yeah.
How does that work?
Okay, it works in two ways. Now, the top brand will go and meet them. I want these advertisements,
There's a
commercial
product
launch coming up. Help us do a comedy skit for 1 minute. We pay you so amount. Then for popularizing it again, put it on your platform. They pay. So they pay two for the production of the video commercial and for the publication of the video commercial.
You get paid for appearing in the commercial.
Yeah. I did one for. I manage a lady in Abeokuta. She's a police officer and she's an actress, and she did a skit and put it on YouTube, and somebody called her from UK, and they say we want to actually do an advert. But that advert, when we go to conventional television houses, they ask for NAFDAC, something like that. They could not meet it. But they want to penetrate social media. She got the contract. So they paid her for that one. And again, we now run the promotion. We promote it.
So you get paid twice?
Yes. For the content creation.
The content you have created.
Yes.
And therefore using your platform.
Publication.
Okay.
So they can say, okay,
and if you're savvy, you could also get paid for appearing. You could choose to get paid for appearing. It's just coming off my head now.
Okay, appearing, yeah, that's good.
Yeah,
appearing
for their
production.
Yeah. Okay, I mean, you can pay me for the production because I produced it for you.
Yeah.
You should also pay me, if I'm popular enough, for appearing in the production. And also for using on my platform.
She did it.
So everything is about negotiation.
Negotiation, yeah. That's what she did, actually. She did that. She advertised a cough syrup.
Yeah.
That baby, where I come on, and she's making it big now.